Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You have Jio Fiber online and your device on the same network, so start by opening the YouTube app or YouTube.com. Sign in with your Google account to access subscriptions, watch history, and personalized recommendations. This makes playback smoother and lets you resume across devices. Once signed in, test playback by playing any video for 10-20 seconds to verify connectivity. If the video starts, proceed to pick a video quality. If not, check the router lights and Wi-Fi password. Now optimize how YouTube streams on Jio Fiber. Choose the gear icon and set quality. Start with 720p for stability, move to 1080p or 4K if your plan and device support it. Use Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi to reduce packet loss and lower buffer times. This matters for live streams and high bitrate videos. Also enable captions or autoplay when desired, and make use of downloads on mobile if you expect unstable Wi-Fi. Make sure app permissions allow background data for uninterrupted playback. Finish by organizing content. Create playlists, subscribe to channels, and save videos to your library so YouTube preloads recommendations for faster access. If you share the connection, set restricted mode or parental controls to filter content. For one key troubleshooting tip, if you see persistent buffering, lower playback quality to 480p, pause to allow buffering, or reboot the Jio Fiber router once. This clears temporary faults and often restores full speeds. If problems persist, contact Jio support with your account and router model details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.